Welcome to Dr. Vetteri's Kitchen. Mutton chukka. Coming on to the requirements, you require mutton 1 kilogram, red chili 15, small onion quarter kg, cumin seeds 2 teaspoon, oil 80 ml, salt as required, turmeric powder half teaspoon. And our first step is to grind the cumin seeds. It should not be very fine. It should be of a coarse consistency. And you can just see how it is. This is the consistency which you require. Put it in a large bowl. First step is to add the mutton and then chop onions, then red chili, to that turmeric powder, and to that 8 tablespoons of oil. Actually, the mutton is going to get boiled only with this presence of this oil and whatever little amount of water is present in the onion and in the mutton pieces. And then you are adding the grinded cumin seeds, and you can see how beautifully the combination you are getting. Add salt as required. Stir well, mix well. Mix constantly, and after a while, you see how beautiful it is. This is the combination of the chili, the mutton pieces, onion, and the oil. Initially, you can use a high flame. The most important step in the mutton chukka is, and now you can see that water is getting released from the mutton and from the onion, and now you have to close and boil it for a few minutes.
Ready?
And then again mix well. You can see how the water is being. Then again you can, after a while, you can just reduce the flame a bit, and you get a beautiful flavor of the mutton chukka. Mix well, mix well, mix well. You have to keep on mixing, and you have to see that it is not getting the base is not getting fixed, okay? Or you'll get a smoky taste. So to keep on, the most important thing is to mix for more than 45 minutes. You have to mix. You can see how beautifully I got the mutton chukka. This is the final state, the very tasty and delicious, mouth dissolving mutton chukka. So this is very delicious and very nutritious, and once you take it in a very limited quantity, it is a wonderful diet. It can serve 4 to 5 people, 1 kg. Thank you very much. Friends, hope everyone enjoyed the mutton chukka. It's a very fantastic diet to eat. Very nutritious. In fact, if you take it a limited quantity, it is very good for health. Okay, and apart from that, one thing, important thing is it is homemade. Homemade food is always hygienic, and you know how to do it in hygienic methods so that your health will not be affected. So if you are taking something outside, you may develop some health problems like food poisoning and so many problems that you go through the books. You will see what are the things which can occur due to food which are not properly cooked.